Good morning, class 6. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about a new chapter, that is chapter 12, that is electricity and circuits. Chapter 12, electricity and circuits. In this chapter, we will discuss about electricity and the circuits. So class, we all know the use of electricity in our daily life, because we all use electricity in one way or the other way. Nowadays, in villages also electricity is available. So if some of you live in village, you are also able to understand what is I'm talking about the electricity. If you think about some works which we can perform by electricity, so first of all which comes in our mind is the light. Means if electricity is available to us, we can use the light bulbs, tube lights, now LED bulbs. So these bulbs help us to work in night also. Means see the condition of hours without electricity and with electricity. Before 10 years, electricity is not available in every village, and their life is like nothing in the night, because they use some candles, lamps or some lanterns to work in night. But it is very difficult condition to work. But now with electricity, we are using several types of electric bulbs, lights, fans, pump to fetch the water from the underground and use it in our regular life also in villages. So in this way, we are observing that we are getting light from the electricity. Not only that, we are using several types of other phenomenon also because of electricity. So now the question arises, from where do we get our electricity? So the production of electricity is in the various forms. Like in a thermal power plant is there, hydropower plant is there. Nowadays from sun electricity is produced, that is solar energy. So thermal power center, hydropower center, from solar we are getting energy, that is electricity. From wind energy also we are getting electricity. So from everywhere these electricities are come and control at a power center or a power hub just outside the city or outside the village. Like if you remember, just close to our school there is a power station, Hiswa, and from there electricity is supplied to all the Hiswa area. So this power station supplied electricity to us. But sometimes, due to some problem, we are not able to get electricity. So at that moment, what we are doing? So at that moment, we are using a torch. In this torch, there is a small bulb in the front side, and whenever we switch it on, we are getting light. But now the question is, from where does this light get the energy to glow? So the answer is there is a small cell, or there are 2 or 3 cells together in the torch which gives light, or which helps the bulb to glow and give light. And these cells together called battery or cell, or you can say dry cell. So we will discuss about this dry cell in the next lecture. So class, I hope you are able to understand this introduction, that how electricity is important for us, and we'll discuss more about this electricity and the circuits we have in our daily life. So class, have a good day, be safe at home, read the book again and again. Thank you.